BJP national spokesperson and Manipur in charge SAMBIT PATRA arrived in Imphal today on a two-day visit as MLAs in the state huddled to push for a popular government. The BJP leader landed at Imphal International Airport at around 8:20 a.m. and was received by BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President K. Sarat and other officials. SAMBIT PATRA then boarded a helicopter bound for Churachandpur district. In Churachandpur, Patra met Tanlon BJP MLA Vungzagin Valte, who survived a mob attack on May 4, 2023. He also met Churachandpur MLA LM Kaute and leaders of Zomi Student Federation. The BJP leader also held a closed-door meeting with leaders of the Kukizo Council and Zomi Council. When reporters questioned the purpose of his visit, SAMBIT PATRA said it was an official visit. However, visit to the state came days after 21 Manipur MLAs wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah separately, urging them to form a popular government in the state, which is now under the president's rule. Later, after returning from Churachandpur, SAMBIT PATRA visited the residence of former Chief Minister N. Biren at Luang Sambam, where he met N. Biren. SAMBIT PATRA then visited residence of Speaker Thokchom Satyabrata before heading to Hotel Imphal. SAMBIT PATRA did not give any statement to media regarding what discussion he had with N. Biren and Speaker Th Satyabrata, keeping everyone on tenterhooks. Later, SAMBIT PATRA also reportedly met MLA Yumnam Khemchan, MLA Sanasam Premchandra, MLA Karam Shyam, MLA El Sushindro, MLA Sapam Gunjakeshore, MLA Kashim Vashum, MLA KH Ibomcha, MLA Awangbo Nyumai, MLA Loshadiko, MLA Shyam Kumar, MLA Leshio Kaishing, and MLA Dingang Lungang Mai. On the other hand, speaking to media after meeting SAMBIT PATRA, Patsoy MLA informed that he had apprised the BJP leader to allow free movement along national highways, to restrict movement of armed men in hill districts, and about restoration of peace and normalcy. He, however, maintained that the discussion was not about formation of popular government. On the other hand, Lamlai MLA KH Ibomcha also informed that the meeting focused on restoration of normalcy. He also informed that he apprised SAMBIT PATRA regarding equal actions in both hills and valley in the initiative of to disarm the communities. He also denied about any discussion on restoration of popular government in the state. Former Minister and NPF MLA Awangbo Nyumai maintained that it was courtesy call and also denied any discussion on formation of popular government, while asserting that NPF stands with people who want popular government.
National highways, masay hangdupa, the open the gasum no way by Bukutos. From the valley labors in all commodities, I'm somewhere high time. I don't get Yamalapon. They are that is the prerogative of the central level.
Is there any points regarding the formation of popular government?
We don't discuss anything like that. We just simply emphasize on this opening of this highway and controlling the law and order.
The crisis here, central government complete normalcy corona but of you aruga hojiki disarmament ki kari amagi local lebsida sing the itha thaduk to maga sai tam dang to budono to ko sing se len binu moi ki su sabjana kano to wa ai ne ya to to sing ki sabjana action bi ra thu matam na normalcy corona to you the central ki put le na heavy to ngoro
the stop popular government na ki mata de
popular government se adu ki matang da di koi koina what is happening
the community yam to na form to bio majority number later you maningi nungai da ngam ke to na bane aduna sigi center ki nasa way to se ki ang to pi ga isla kan da di government adum la kan ni hai bonus isla ta di government ji in ki si no le ti adu ji ona be MLA me am di koi hanga ki mai pien da ki photo na ngam ta ni ki sam ma ne am ta ni si all from one family ani to ko sa ani to ko di ngaki ko ki magi apa ngaki pien da bi to na ngam ta ne ba Ani thoba kasu leite da BJP manung gi central government ko tamoina pura Manipur santi leire yare ko leiba community khana chane myam ji le ha ka de India si secular democratic country ni ko gi praja semja government ne praja semja government do leitra ga di praja na ko la na uba khan khari yeng ba thin uba to ko su MLA mo nang sa gi haiba ta pang man makhalla bane praja gi sentiment leyo Manipur gi leyo jati pudi maki committee ko no wai ko feel tawi atuna ko kente gi de la kan government si chuma to form to biyo plus nasa habi tu si hangtok piraga leiba cookie leiba mitei is peaceful akan santi le na halma leina bo wala biyo na haiba.
And here, from the beginning, we believe in democracy. We believe in the people's will. So that is our position. We would like the popular government to be installed so that only people to people's contact will only come under popular government.